Good morning. I welcome you all to the 43rd Annual General Meeting of CSC Limited. In view of the pandemic, the meeting is being conducted through video conferencing and other audiovisual means. I would like to convey my deepest condolence to all our employees and their family members who have unfortunately lost their lives due to the pandemic. Our thoughts and prayers are with them. The quorum is present. I declare the 43rd AGM open. Our other directors, auditors, and scrutinizers are also present in the meeting. In case there is any connectivity problem for me at any point, as per decision of our board of directors, Mr. C.K. Dhanuka will conduct rest of the proceedings of the meeting. I would now request our company secretary to brief you about some basic rules relating to the AGM.
Thank you, sir, and good morning, everyone. Question and answer session for the members who have registered themselves as speakers will open once all the resolutions set forth in the notice are tabled. When the chairman calls out the names of the registered speakers, they may please keep their questions brief. The company had provided the facility to the members to cast their votes through remote e-voting, which concluded yesterday. Members who have not cast their votes yet electronically and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting through the e-voting system provided by NSDL. The said facility will continue to be available for the next 15 minutes post conclusion of the meeting. In this meeting, there will not be any voting by show of hands, and there will not be any proposer and seconder for any resolution placed for the voting. The auditor's report is not being read out since the accounts do not have any audit qualifications. As required, all requisite registers and documents remain accessible on the company's website for inspection during the continuance of the meeting. Members may inspect the above documents by using the link provided by NSDL voting site as well. Thank you very much. Now requesting Chairman sir to take the proceedings further.
Thank you, Jagdish. As the notice has already been circulated to all the members, I take the notice convening the meeting as read. Before I get to the formal items on the agenda, let me just state that last year was a challenging year in view of the pandemic. We virtually lost the first quarter of the year. Then there was Amphan, and which also challenged our peoples very, very strongly. But I'm happy to state that every member of the CSC team, of the CSC family, rallied around selflessly and came out to serve the city, which is an exemplary act of solidarity. Financially, we were pretty much constant despite a virtual washout of the first quarter. Revenue dropped by 11%, which was entirely due to the pandemic situation. And likewise, PAT was down by 11% as well. This year, the quarter one revenues are 20% higher. And PAT at a consolidated basis is 54 crores higher due to better performance of the subsidiaries. The debt equity ratio on a standalone basis is 0.7:1 and a consolidated basis is 1.4:1. Two of our franchise operations have started making profits, namely Bharatpur and Bikaner. Malegaon turned EBITDA positive. We continue to have issues with quota. Since the time we last met, we won the bid to provide power in the city of Chandigarh, which I do believe is a fairly major step forward for the company. There's a very interesting consumer profile. Sales volume is 1600 million units, 2.3 lakh consumers, 114 square kilometers. And per capita consumption of the city of Chandigarh in terms of power is 2.2 times that of Calcutta. So it's roughly 7,000 units per consumer as opposed to 3,200 units in Calcutta. So overall, it's a position which has been decent, which has been satisfactory in view of the conditions. And we will go aggressively in distribution. Chandigarh was the first. There will be others, I hope, and I'm sure. With that, I get to the resolutions as proposed in the notice. Item number 1 is an ordinary resolution which pertains to the adoption of financial accounts and financial statements and the profit and loss account for the year. It's an ordinary resolution as stated in the notice. Item number 2 is confirmation of payment of interim dividend for the financial year ended 31 March 2021. It is an ordinary resolution as stated in the notice. Item number 3 pertains to the appointment of Mr. Ravi Chaudhary, who retires by rotation as a director of the company. It is an ordinary resolution and as stated in the notice of the company. Item number 4 pertains to the appointment of Mr. Debanjan Mandal as a non-executive independent director of the company. It is an ordinary resolution and as stated in the notice. Item number 5 is a special resolution. It pertains to the continuation of Mr. Pradeep Kumar Khaitan as a non-executive director of the company, as stated in the notice. Item number 6 pertains to an increase in the borrowing limit. It is a special resolution and it reads as stated in the notice. Item number 7 is a resolution pertaining to the creation of charge/security on the movable and immovable properties of the company. It is a special resolution as stated in the notice. Item number 8 pertains to the subdivision of shares. It is a special resolution as stated in the notice. Item number 9 pertains to the ratification of remuneration of the cost auditor for the financial year 21-22. It is an ordinary resolution as stated in the notice. I'm now going to invite the pre-registered members to speak. Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta.
Hello, good morning, sir. Hello.
Yes, Gupta ji.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders. My name is Manoj Gupta. I am equity shareholder of CSC Limited. Sir, first of all, I thanks to you, your team, and all staffs of CSC for their hard work during this epidemic COVID time to save the city from any trouble. I thanks to you, your team, and all staffs who has worked hard during this epidemic COVID. And sir, I again thanks to you, your team, and all staffs who has worked during the to save the city from any trouble in Amphan and yes, cyclone consecutive 2 years. In May 2020 and May 2021, 2 cyclone has come consecutively in cities, but all staffs were ready to save the city from any trouble. So all credit goes to your all staff, sir. And I thanks to Mr. Mitra, who has promoted as a group company secretary and who has served us 27 years as company secretary. We can't forget his contribution about the shareholders. And I warm welcome the new company secretary, Mr. Patra, who I know him from long time, from Jindal time, and I believe that he will serve the investors in good manner like as Mr. Mitra. And I thanks to you, your team, for excellent dividend, 45 rupees per seva during this epidemic COVID. So, because in your opening remarks, you said in the first quarter 2021 there was a loss, but you have declared a high dividend. And I congratulate you for acquire the UT Chandigarh Power Distribution License. And sir, now the new policy of the central government, in the first phase of the privatization, all UTs will be privatized. And you have won the first Chandigarh, and Torrent has got the Dadar Nagar Haveli. And in the next month or in the October, they will again launch a privatization. So what will be your next target to acquire the new UT? So because all UTs will be privatized, then they will ask the state government to privatize their power license. So what will be your next target? Ladakh or Jammu Kashmir? So they have a target to privatize the Jammu power distribution, and Delhi has already privatized, but Pondicherry and other states, so they will. And sir, in the new union budget of 2021, there is a provision of allow the second power player in the cities, big cities. So what is your view in this context? Because as a shareholder of several power companies, I know that this is a very tough and challenging work for new player, because he has to expend 20,000 crore rupees. So this is very tough period. And sir, I thanks to the MD for his team to they work hard during this epidemic, and you have fulfilled today our demand to split the shares. I thanks to you that you are going to split the shares from 10:1, and this thing will help us to help the company to increase the liquidity and increase the market capitalization in the market, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Gatani.
Hello.
Yes,
Just
Mr. Gatani, we can hear you.
सर संजीव सर, आप बहुत स्मार्ट लग रहे हो, एंड लकीली मैं आपको एक मीटिंग में तो पकड़ता ही, कोई ना कोई मीटिंग में पकड़ूं। आपको इतने 35-40 साल से जानता हूँ, आप सेंट जेवियर्स में मेरे से सीनियर थे, और इधर आपका तो मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ। आप कितने सारे बॉल एक साथ घुमा सकते हो, कार्बन ब्लैक, सारेगामा, CESC, क्रिकेट में हो, फुटबॉल में हो, फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन में हो, हजारों जगह हो सर, और सब जगह पूरा खंबा गाड़ रखा है। अब चंडीगढ़ का फ्यूचर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि एटलीस्ट आपके हाथ में गया है, तो मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि चंडीगढ़ अपने आ रहे हैं सर। मैम थैंक यू फॉर द डिविडेंड सर। डिविडेंड के साथ और एक बात बताना है, 29 जनवरी को सर आप 60 इयर्स के हुए, डायमंड जुबली। हम लोग को पार्टी नहीं मिला, आपसे 30 साल से हाथ मिला रहा था, इस बार मिला ही नहीं, कोविड में मैं निकला ही नहीं, तो आप पार्टी देने बुलाइए। मैं हूँ, मनोज गुप्ता जी है, पता नहीं मनोज गुप्ता ऑफ हो गया होगा। हम लोग जितने स्पीकर से बुलाइए सर, 60 इयर्स, 50 इयर्स, 25 साल बहुत रेयरली आते हैं, हम लोग को बुलाइए। AGM में तो हर साल मिलते थे, चला के जाता था, IDC का मीटिंग होने पे भी आप ही का मीटिंग अटेंड करता था, क्योंकि आपके फैन है। अब जितने जगह हाथ डाले हो सब गोल्ड हो चुका है सर। अब शेयर स्प्लिट हो रहा है, तो शायद 730 का दाम है, 73 होगा, और ये मैं लिख के देता हूँ सर, शेयर ब्रोकर लाइन में हूं मैं, तो 100-125 रुपया ऐसे ही दौड़ेगा। और आपने इतना सुंदर डिविडेंड दिया सर, आपका बर्थडे के साथ कोरिलेट किया होगा, क्योंकि जनवरी में आया 45 रुपीज, और मेरे पास काफी होल्डिंग है सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, आपके साथ बात करके मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगता है सर। आप IIM भी देख रहे हो, IIT वगैरह भी देख रहे हो, बहुत वुडलैंड हॉस्पिटल भी आप चेयरमैन हो सर। आई सपोर्ट ऑल द रेजोल्यूशन। मित्रा सर को भी नमस्ते, बहुत अच्छा सर्विस उन्होंने दिया। आई सपोर्ट ऑल द। एक स्पेशल थैंक्स सुदीप घोष सर के लिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह हम लोग को VC में लाया। आई सपोर्ट ऑल द रेजोल्यूशन सर। कुछ और भी धूमधाम करिए, चंडीगढ़ का मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर ट्रैक रखूंगा आपके साथ सर। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
Mr. Arun Kumar Bose.
হ্যালো, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
শুনতে পারছি।
আচ্ছা, at present industrial load is in order of 20% only. What is the future growth prospect if industrial growth is not increased? এইটা আমার প্রথম প্রশ্ন। And what is the distribution loss? According to media, we came to understand it is around 11%. What is the plan to reduce the loss? Are we thinking installation of smart meters? দেখুন, স্মার্ট মিটার আমার বাড়িতে লাগানো আছে, অনেক জায়গায় লাগাচ্ছেন, কিন্তু আমার মনে হচ্ছে এতে একটু খরচাটা কম হবে। আর আমি প্রফিটের কথা বলছি যে আমাদের এবারেতে ইনস্পাইট অফ লস আপনারা 450% ডিভিডেন্ড দিয়েছেন, এটা অ্যাডমায়ারেবল। আমি তো বরাবরই আপনার সাপোর্টার, আর আপনি যেভাবে কোম্পানি চালাচ্ছেন আমার তো মনে হয় এরকম ভাবে কোম্পানি চালাবার লোক ভারতবর্ষে খুব কম আছে। আমি পশ্চিমবাংলার কথা ছেড়ে দিন, এ তো গেছে, কিন্তু ইন্ডিয়াতে আপনার যা বুদ্ধি, আপনার যা এলিগেন্স, আপনার যা, আপনি ইভিন আমাদের ফুটবলের মাঠেও চলে এসেছেন। গতবারে এটিকে মোহনবাগান, আমি মোহনবাগানের মেম্বার, সেখানে আমাদের পারফরমেন্স খুবই ভালো হয়েছে। আজকে তো মোহনবাগানের ফের খেলাও আছে। তো আমি আপনার খুবই সাপোর্টার, এবং আমি দেখছি স্যার আপনাকে একটা কথা বলি, আপনার ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন ক্ষেত্রে দুজন মেয়ের নাম আমি তো উল্লেখ করবোই আপনার অফিসার তারা। একজন হচ্ছে দীনা রায়, সে আমাদের ভিক্টোরিয়া হাউসের, আর একজন হচ্ছে শ্রাবণী সেট, নর্থ ক্যালকাটা। যে কোনো প্রবলেমে আমি দেখেছি, কি দুর্গাপুজো, কালী পুজো, কি কোনো ফাংশনে, কি আমার ফেডারেশন হলের, আমি একজন কাউন্সিল সদস্য, হঠাৎ করে লোড চলে গেল, ওরা কিভাবে ঝাঁপিয়ে পড়ে আমাদের হেল্প করে। তো আমি আপনাকে বলছি যে আমাদের এবারে কনসোলিডেটেড প্রফিট যেটা হয়েছে সেটা ইনক্রিজড ইন ফ্যাক্ট অ্যাকর্ডিং টু লাস্ট ইয়ার, সেখানে আমাদের ডিক্রিজ করেছে। এই আর এতে কনসোলিডেটেড বেড়েছে। আর কোম্পানি ইন স্পাইট অফ গ্লোবাল প্যান্ডামিক has given 450% interim dividend. এটা একটা বিরাট ব্যাপার। আপনি অন্ততপক্ষে আমাদের কোম্পানিতে বিভিন্ন জায়গায় খবর নিন, আপনি দেখবেন কত পে কাট করেছে, এমনকি লোয়ার লেভেল পর্যন্ত, whereas আপনি কিছু আপার লেভেল ছাড়া কোনো জায়গাতে এরকম পে কাট করেননি। তো সেই কারণের জন্যে আমার মনে হয় যে এবারেতে কোম্পানি যেভাবে আপনি চালাতে চান, তাতে একটা কথা খালি আপনাকে মনে করিয়ে দেব যে আপনি, দুদিন আগে আমি কাগজে পড়লাম টাইমস অফ ইন্ডিয়াতে যে আমরা চণ্ডীগড়েতে পাওয়ার সাপ্লাই করতে যেতে পারি। এখনো ফাইনাল হয়নি, কিছু হতে পারে এটা, কিন্তু ওখানে আমার একটা আত্মীয় আছে, সে বলছে আমরা তো, বলছে তোমাদের ওখানে কত রেট? হ্যালো ভাই, আমরা তো 7.5 টাকা করে দিই ইউনিট, বলছে আমাদের এখানে রেট 4 টাকা। আমি বললাম দিতেই পারবে না, কেউ দিতে পারবে না। তা আমি ভাবছি কি যে এটা কি হতে পারে, ওখানে হাইডেল ভাগড়া নাঙ্গল আছে বলে কি হাইডেল পাওয়ারের ব্যাপারে কিছু সস্তায় আসতে পারে, কিন্তু এত সস্তায় তো হবে না। এটা আমার একটা মনে প্রশ্ন আছে, আমি জানি না আপনি এটাকে কিভাবে নেবেন। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আপনার কাছে প্রশ্ন করার ব্যাপারটা আমার থাকে, আপনি অত্যন্ত ইন্টেলিজেন্ট, এবং আপনি কিভাবে কোম্পানি চালাতে হবে আরো পারবেন। আমার মনে হয় একদিন আপনার সঙ্গে আমার বসে অনেকক্ষণ কথাও হয়েছিল, আপনি বলেছিলেন যে আমি আমাদের এমডিদের উপরে ক্ষমতা দিয়ে দিয়েছি, তারা যা করবার করে, আমি মাঝে মাঝে দেখতে খালি ব্যাপারটা বুঝে নিই। দেখলাম যা আপনি বলেছিলেন ঠিক সেই অনুযায়ী কোম্পানি চলছে। স্যার আমার আর কোনো প্রশ্ন নেই আপনাকে, আপনি তো আজকে সবাইকে উত্তর দিতে হবে। শুধু আমি একটা কথা লাস্টে বলবো, এই ওয়েবএক্সে আমাদের যেটা ঢুকতে পারছিলাম না, আমি 15 মিনিট ধরে দেখছি শুধু আমার ল্যাপটপে ঘুরেই যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু এটা গুগলসে করলে কিরকম হয়? গুগলসে করলে স্যার কিন্তু না ছট করে আমরা ঢুকে যেতে পারবো। এই মানে অবশ্য আমার মনে হয় না যে সামনেবারও এরকম প্যান্ডামিক থাকবে, কিন্তু যদি আমরা মিট করি আপনাকে সামনাসামনি সেটা তো অনেক ভালো, কারণ সেখানে দাঁড়িয়ে অনেকক্ষণ ধরে বক্তব্য রাখা যাবে, বলাও যাবে। তবে আমি বিভিন্ন কোম্পানির শেয়ার, এখানে অনেক জায়গায় কোম্পানির শেয়ার আছে, কিন্তু আপনি মোস্ট একটা ইউটিলিটি ফার্ম, তো এখন এখানকার যেভাবে আপনি চালাচ্ছেন, আপনাকে আমি কেন বললাম স্যার ডিস্ট্রিবিউশনের ব্যাপারে, আপনি তো সব জানেন। 1 মিনিটের জন্য যদি আমার লোড চলে যায়, আমি রাস্তায় গাড়ি চালাচ্ছি, আমি বলুন ভাই আমি ড্রাইভিং সিটে বসে আছি, ওরা শুনছেই না কথা, বলছে না আপনার লোডটা এসেছে কিনা বলুন। আমি তো রাস্তায়, আচ্ছা দাঁড়ান এই বাড়িতে ফোন করে দেখছি। মানে এত পার্টিকুলার তারা, এত পার্টিকুলার আপনার কোম্পানি। এটা এটা আমাকে স্বীকার করতেই হবে, সবাইকে বলতে হবে। এইরকম ধরনের আপনার প্রেসক্রিপশন আপনার যারা ডিস্ট্রিবিউশনে আছে তারা এই জিনিসটা লক্ষ্য রাখছে। এখন আমি এক জায়গা থেকে খবর পেলাম যে স্মার্ট মিটার বেশি দিতে গেলে ইনিশিয়াল কস্ট অনেক বেশি পড়ে যাচ্ছে, তাই জন্য কি দিচ্ছেন না, সেটা আমার একটা প্রশ্ন। যদি স্মার্ট মিটার দিতে হতো তাহলে তো আমরা আমাদের অন্তত পক্ষে লাভটা আরো বেশি হতো, কারণ আপনার লোক কম লাগতো। এবার আজকে মোহনবাগানের খেলার কথা আপনাকে বললাম, এবছর এটা লাস্টের কথা, দুটো প্লেয়ার খুব ভালো দিয়েছে। একটা ওই বম্বের ছেলেটাকে গমস, দারুণ ভালো খেলেছে গতবারে। আর একটা হচ্ছে এই জনি বলে একটা ছেলের নাম দেখছিলাম, ইউরোপিয়ান কাপের তলার দিকে খেলেছিল, খারাপ নয়, প্লেয়ারটা ভালো। দেখবো কিরকম হয়, কিন্তু আজকে কোথায় দেখাবে তা বুঝতে পারছি না, কাগজে এটা দেয়নি, মানে এই মালদ্বীপের খেলাটা যে আছে। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, with your kind gesture.
Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf.
हाँ जी नमस्कार, एक मिनट वीडियो शेयर करता हूँ। हाँ, माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, उपस्थित विशेष सदस्यगण और मेरे शेयरहोल्डर भाइयों बहनों, जो आज हम वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के थ्रू प्रेजेंट है, मैं संतोष कुमार साहब अपने घर कलकत्ता से बोल रहा हूँ। सर्वप्रथम सर आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। आशा करता हूँ आप जितने भी हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, जितने भी हमारे शेयर होल्डर भाई और जितने भी हमारे अधिकारीगण हैं और एम्प्लॉई हैं, वो इस कोविड के अंदर में सुरक्षित अच्छे स्वास्थ्य होंगे। सर एक मैं उन भाइयों के लिए अपनी संवेदना प्रकट करना चाहता हूँ जो इस कोविड के अंदर में हमें छोड़ के चले गए या उनके लव वंस छोड़ के चले गए। उनके प्रति अपनी संवेदना प्रकट करते हुए मैं कहता हूँ भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे, उनको परिवार को हिम्मत दे, जिससे वो अपनी इस दुख भरी घड़ी में उभर के वापस नॉर्मल हो। सर इसके लिए मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। एक आपको सर धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि अपने लाइफ का सबसे हाईएस्ट डिविडेंड आपने दिया। किसी जमाने में 16 रुपये शेयर का दाम था, कि आज देखिए कहाँ से कहाँ लागे है, उससे 3 गुना तो डिविडेंड आप दे रहे हो सर। और आशा करते हैं अगले दिनों में भी और अच्छा डिविडेंड हमें मिलेगा, इसकी भी मैं आशा करता हूँ। क्योंकि संजीव जी आपकी लीडरशिप में मैंने जितने भी कंपनी के शेयर लिए हैं सभी मैंने अच्छा कमाया है। अभी स्पेंसर के भी शेयर मैंने खरीदे, करीबन 1000 से होल्डिंग बढ़ाई 70 रुपये के अंदर में, आज 100 से ऊपर का दाम है सर। तो मेरे को विश्वास है कि आपकी अंडर कंपनी अच्छे चलेगी सर। एक सर मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा कि अभी जो कोविड का टाइम चल रहा है, इसमें हमारे एम्प्लॉई जो हैं, बहुत से एम्प्लॉई जो अभी भी वैक्सीन नहीं लिए सर, तो मैं चाहूँगा कि 100% वैक्सीन अपनी हो एम्प्लॉय की या अपने जो फील्ड में काम करने वालों की है, तो उनके लिए आपको थोड़ा कड़ा स्टेप लेना चाहिए। स्टेप क्या है कि अगर वैक्सीन लेते नहीं है तो काम पे नहीं आना, और अगर वैक्सीन वाली एक सरकारी हॉस्पिटल में नहीं मिलती है तो आप प्राइवेट में लीजिए, उसका खर्चा CSC बियर करिए, उनके परिवार का भी। तो मैं समझता हूँ ये इंक्रोज करने से 100% वैक्सीनेटर अपने जल्दी से जल्दी होगा। इसके लिए मैं चाहूंगा कि आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि ये कदम उठाइए कि बिगड़ कड़ाई के कुछ नहीं होता। पुलिस का डंडा पड़ता तो हम रास्ते पे चलते हैं सर, अदरवाइज हम ठीक नहीं चलते। तो आपका जब डंडा पड़ेगा तो जो नहीं लेना चाह रहा है वो भी अपनी जल्दी से जल्दी प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में ले लेंगे सर। एक सर आपने चंडीगढ़ यूनिट सभी ने धन्यवाद दिया। हम तो कहते हैं चंडीगढ़ की हो गया, और भी हमारे कलकत्ते का जो नॉर्थ 24 परगना है उसको भी आप टेक ओवर करिए सर। उसको अगर करते हैं तो मतलब अपना एक्सपेंशन करेगा, अपना एक्स्ट्रा कोई खर्चा नहीं आएगा, स्टेबिलिटी खर्चा नहीं आएगा सर। और हमें भी अच्छा मिलेगा, तो क्या सर तूफान आता है बिजली चली जाती है, घर में गर्मी तो मरते रहते हैं। और आपकी लीडरशिप में जहां तक है बिराटी के एरिया तक हमारे है तो काफी अच्छा सर, इसके लिए मैं कहूँगा। एक सर मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा अपने ECLC मतलब के लिए क्या कदम उठाए पैरामीटर कंप्लीट करने के लिए। सबसे पहले जो होता है अपने इन्वायरमेंट, सोशल एंड गवर्नेंस के जो पैरामीटर है उसके लिए क्या कदम उठाएं, और अपने कार्बन न्यूट्रलिटी 2030 तक एकदम कम हो उसके लिए भी क्या कदम उठाए बताने का कष्ट करिए सर। एक सर अपने यहाँ जहाँ मतलब जहाँ अपनी फैक्ट्री ये है प्लांट्स हैं वहाँ पर सर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के बारे में आपने जैसे क्या आपने विंड पावर और सोलर एनर्जी में ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन और कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट करके बढ़ाने का, क्योंकि अब देखिए कोयले का तो उत्पादन भी कम हो जाएगा और कोयले के ऊपर परिवार की चोट है वो भी रहेगी सर। तो हमें अपने आप को डाइवर्सिफाई करना है और डाइवर्सिफाई हम हाइड्रो पावर में तो कर नहीं सकते, हाइड्रो पावर तो बहुत बड़ा खर्चा है, विंड पावर हम सोलर पावर में जरूर कर सकते हैं, उसके में विचार करिएगा सर। एक सर रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के बारे में क्या कदम उठाएं ये भी बताइएगा, जिससे जमीन के अंदर पानी पहुंचा सकें और हम फ्रेश वाटर का यूज कम से कम कर सकें सर। एक सर मैं आपको ये कहूंगा कि फीमेल एम्प्लॉय, उसके बारे में आप सोचिए संजीव बाबू, फीमेल एम्प्लॉय में ज्यादा एम्पावरमेंट करिए। देखिए अभी गोल्ड भी और जो सिल्वर भी है ना वो भी हमारी वुमेन फर्स्ट लेके आई थी, फिर लोगों ने फॉलो किया। तो आप ये मत समझिए कि वजन का काम भी करते 115 किलो वजन उठा सकते हो तो उनको कमजोर नहीं समझे, जितने के शायद जेंट्स भी नहीं उठा सकेंगे सर। कुश्ती में भी होशियार है सर और बॉक्सिंग में भी होशियार, मतलब सब फील्ड में देखिए जो ताकत वाला खेल है उस वाली उम्र ज्यादा होशियार। तो मैं कहूंगा कि आजकल फैक्ट्री में आपके यहाँ तो लेबर का काम कम है, मतलब वजन का काम कम है, तो वहाँ आप ज्यादा एम्प्लॉयमेंट करिए तो अच्छा रहेगा। उससे क्या है समाज की भी उन्नति होगी, देश की भी उन्नति होगी और घर परिवार की भी उन्नति होगी सर। और सर मैं ज्यादा कुछ समय नहीं लूंगा सर, अपने यहाँ मतलब ये एम्प्लॉय जो है उनका अगर फिगर हो जोनल वाइज तो वो बताने का कष्ट करिएगा सर। और सर मैं आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ लास्ट में, मैं नहीं कहना चाहता फिर भी दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है। मैंने आरपीसी वेंचर में मैंने एप्लीकेशन दिया था 2 अगस्त से, उन्होंने मुझे कोई तथ्य नहीं दिया, लिंक भी नहीं भेजी, इसका दुख है। मैं चाहता हूँ कि लास्ट मीटिंग आपकी हमारे लिए तो हमें जरूर लिंक मिलनी चाहिए थी 2 अगस्त को भैया। कल मुझे खबर मिला कि उनको लिंक नहीं मिली। मैं लास्ट सर 400 मीटिंग में रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया, इस बार 200 मीटिंग में रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया, कभी किसी भी कमिटी सेक्रेटरी नहीं कहा कि हमको लिंक नहीं मिली। तो मैं चाहूंगा आप उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन दे, एक लिंक अगर प्रोवाइड करेंगे तो आपसे मेरी 3 बजे मुलाकात हो जाएगी और ना 12:30 बजे मीटिंग है आपके लिए मेरे लिए लास्ट होगी सर। और आपके ऐसे स्वास्थ्य की कामना करता हूँ। आप 60 उम्र में हो गए फिर भी अभी 60 के नहीं लग रहे सर, काफी हंसी और लगे। लास्ट तो आपसे मुलाकात आप दाढ़ी बड़ी हुई थी, बहुत अच्छा लगा। एक बार पहले भी आपसे फर्स्ट सोच में मुलाकात हो चुकी है सर, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आप जब हंसते हैं तो जैसे मोती झलकते हैं आपका दांतों से, ऐसा फील होता है। कभी कभी कोलगेट का मेरे को एडवर्टाइजमेंट आ जाता है जिसके अंदर में दिखाते हैं कि मतलब दांत हंसते हैं तो मोती की तरह चमकते हैं। तो आपसे आप इसी तरह हंसते रहिए सिर्फ आप और आपका परिवार और आपके जितने भी हैं संबंधी दोस्त और हमारे जितने भी अधिकारीगण हैं उनके परिवार, उनके दोस्त और हमारे जितने भी कर्मचारी या फील्ड में काम करने वाले हैं। इसके अलावा मैं कहूँ जो हमारे कंज्यूमर है उनके परिवार भी इसी तरह हंसते रहे, हंस हंस के अपना जीवन बिताए। और ये राखी बंधन बहनों के लिए शुभ हो, हंसी से और हमारे आने वाले त्योहार भी उनके लिए अच्छा हो, ये प्रार्थना करता हूँ भगवान कि 2021 फाइनेंशियल आप सभी के लिए हैप्पीनेस, वेलनेस, सेफनेस और प्रोस्पेरिटी रहे, इसकी प्रार्थना करते हुए अपना वक्तव्य समाप्त करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्कार सर, समय देने के लिए बहुत।
Mr. Rohit Somani.
Good morning, sir. Can you see me? Good morning, sir. Can you see me and hear me?
We can hear you.
Honorable Chairman, good morning and thank you very much. And I'll not take much time. I would just like to express my thanks for the hugely positive dividend and a very good growth going forward. I have a few questions, sir. I am currently calling from a laboratory in CMERI, and I want to know what are the steps that we are taking to prevent pollution from our thermal power plants. Are there any plans to go outside of India? Are we having any plans to enter into the renewable energy space? And last but not the least, sir, if all these institutes in India, they have developed some wonderful technologies which can reduce pollution in a significant way. So if we can have a R&D department which can coordinate with these eminent institutes of research and development in India, it will take our company to the next level. Meaning, I look forward to CSC becoming the next GE power of India. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Jaideep Bakshi.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Chairman, Board of Directors. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. Thanks to our Company Secretary, Mr. Jagadish Patro, for giving me an opportunity to express my views, and also to the entire team of the support team of the Secretarial Department, and also to the registers for conducting this video conference in a smooth manner. So, first of all, convey my congrats to the entire team of the CSC for supporting in the supply power of the entire network area and in this difficult pandemic period. When we were all confined to our in-house due to restrictions, the distribution's uninterrupted network has driven light into our life and waved the darkness of COVID. So what has been the percentage affected by sharply falling of power demand due to lockdown? Regarding the restoration of power due to natural calamities, it was a good job done by our entire team. So amount of revenue involved for restoration work, can we know it? And regarding the work from home continuing and offices only shut down, restricted openings, what is the percentage of difference in the power demand? And what is the peak power demand different from the earlier times? Thanks once again for the dividend we have passed on 450% and expect much more in the coming years. And it was the highest one in the company's history. So what is our plans for the digitalization for better support and distribution? And sir, regarding your customer contact through the call center, it is a good move. We are engaged for throughout the day. And CSR activities, it is worth mentioning. And also under your project of the Roshni project for the helping out to the underprivileged children, it is also a great move. So what are the steps are we taking for the to fight against the power theft? How are we planning to control it? And any new technology for power generation and distribution upliftment? So we have the setup in Kolkata, the 315 kilowatt hour lead acid technology based battery electric storage system in with the collaboration with Exide. Kindly highlight on the same. So nothing to add more. I support all the resolutions and I hope under your leadership, our company will rise to greater heights and expand more in business. Thank you and all stay safe. Namaskar.
Mr. Shrimal.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, Mr. Shrimal.
And my video is not on probably. I'd like to see you and you should see me, sir.
But we can hear you.
Here my video is not on.
Well, we can't see you yet, but there seems to be some hitch. But carry on speaking. We can still hear you, please.
Good morning and namaskar. I am B.S. Srimal, CA B.S. Srimal from Calcutta. Mr. Chairman and members of the board, I am extremely grateful for you to giving me this opportunity to participate at the AGM proceeding. Sir, I have not the opportunity to meet you for last decade, I believe, due to the cause that most of the year back, the meeting was always held along with ITC, and also all the meetings were held of your group at the same day. So I took this opportunity to meeting you. So I can see you, but you can't see me. Probably there is, what is the problem? I don't know. So, and I am extremely grateful also for giving the wonderful dividend. And I hope that you will continue to give the interim dividend in future as well, as I am suggesting to many of the companies. And as the final dividend is not there, I do hope that you will declare interim dividend shortly to make it up. Sir, there are three great Sanjeevs. One is yourself. You are doing wonderful work for the company and for the community here in Calcutta. Another Sanjeev is Sanjeev Puri of ITC. He is also giving a wonderful performance of the company. And another Sanjeev is at the helm of affair of Hindustan Lever. So all Sanjeevs are doing wonderful Sanjeevani works for the community and for the company. Sir, I have some suggestion for your consideration. Number one, could you not help the meeting at the second half of the day so that the person doing their own work complete the part of their job and join the meeting? And as the most of the shareholders are also connected with the stock exchange, so that will be a better proposition if you hold the meeting at the second half. Number two, your accounts, now the digitalization process is on, so the content should be as done in a way that if we click in the content page, the particular page should arrive. This I have suggested in the last meeting of the BATA, and many of the companies have adopted it. I would request your secretary to look into the matter and see that from next year, if we click in the content page, we can go to the particular page, because it is very difficult at this hour to go on downloading and to every page of necessary. Said, what is the total your cost control measure? If you can give me some idea of your cost control measure and its impact in this balance sheet and in the balance sheet of the coming year. So then I have a question for you, sir. Sir, when do you think you will be achieving zero emission, and what is your program for alternate or renewable energy front? Sir, could you give us an idea about your production capacity utilization to date? Has it been achieved up to the COVID period, and what is the current position? Sir, under your banner, all your group companies is doing well, for which I happen to hold many shares in many companies. So you are one of the most reputed group of West Bengal, and I hope under your chairmanship the companies will prosper in future as well. Sir, about the subsidiary company, I see your 6 subsidiary companies are not running at a loss. What is your steps in this direction, if you can enlighten us, sir? Sir, then I would like to know what is your ratio of working from home at this COVID period, and what is your idea for near future for working at home? With this, I would like to conclude, sir, and I thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, and hope that you and your family and all the members of the board and employee will be in a good health and cheers. Thank you very much.
Mr. Gopal Nandan.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Gopal Nandan.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see the video? Start video. Just a minute, sir. Good morning, sir. On the eve of 75th anniversary of our independence, first of all, I wish you all a very warm and happy greetings. I would express my sincere gratitude and good wishes to our beloved Chairman Dr. Sanjeev Goenka for successful celebration of 10th anniversary of RP Sanjeev Goenka Group. I would express my sincere gratitude to our Vice Chairman Mr. Shashwat Goenka and Managing Directors Mrs. Robi Chaudhary and Mr. Devashish Banerjee and all the board of directors for their untiring efforts and dedicated services towards building our company a very sound and strong. I'm also thankful to all the employees and shareholders, myself Gopal Nandan, a bona fide shareholder. First of all, I would convey my heartfelt congratulations for winning power distribution license in Chandigarh, the Eminent Electricity Distribution Limited under RPSG Group, beating many power giants. It is no doubt an excellent opportunity to expand drastically in pan-India. In this regard, I would request you to kindly enlighten us with a strategic plan to protect our investment in case of any unforeseen challenges taking place. Also, are you fully prepared to take the challenges in case of electricity acts if implemented? How do you visualize those factors as uncertainty and risk element is involved? This year too, we are passing through with terrible anxiety as COVID-19 pandemic not only created unprecedented uncertainty affecting lives and livelihoods, but also disrupted business heavily despite relentless efforts are being made to combat the situation with utmost care and by doing vaccination process in the country. It is needless to mention that our chairman's deep concern over super cyclone Amphan last year and COVID-19 pandemic resulting sharp decline in power usage affecting our revenue growth by 11% on standalone basis. So on consolidated basis, PAT has been increased. In this need of our Dr. Goenka's utmost appeal for maintaining social distancing, sanitization, and wearing masks in proper manner is truly praiseworthy. It is needless to mention that despite having devastating impact on Indian and global economy, our company has been consistently fighting to combat against all odds. Under this grim situation too, a whopping jump in dividend distribution to 450% is a mark of great concern for shareholders. I thank you very much. Splitting of share is also a good decision. It is a great pride that CSC, being one of the oldest companies, has been providing uninterrupted power supply to 3.4 million consumers with dedicated workforce. I am truly thankful for taking up various pious activities under CSR initiatives covering wide areas on health, education, environment, community development, etc. My humble suggestion that CSC should launch some special felicitation program for those who are directly helping to stop theft of electricity and recognition as a corporate gesture who are sacrificing their lives for this cause. Our company is always concerned about issues like environment, climate change, and global warming, the most alarming issues in the world. As far as distribution ventures are concerned, increasing number of consumers in Kota and Bharatpur and reducing the distribution loss in Bikaner and Malegaon is also a good sign of hope for future growth. It may please be noted that DIL's performance also good and PAF and PLF is also commendable. Like every year, our company and its subsidiaries have achieved many awards too, especially the DBGS Platinum Award, NPCL's Gold Award and Silver Awards, etc. Finally, I wish Dr. Sanjeev Goenka will overcome all the challenges with his dynamic and powerful vision and fulfill his dreams. And I pray to Almighty that peace and harmony be restored on humanity. Thank you and God bless you all.
Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak.
Hello. Hello. Sir, I am audible.
Yes.
Yes. This is my first meeting to you, sir, and this is my good day, I think, to meet to you, sir. Very good morning. At first, my best wishes for good health, happiness, and prosperity to respected chairman, board of directors, company secretary, staffs, fellow members present at 43rd AGM of CSC Limited. My name is Ashit Kumar Pathak from Damdam. Many thanks to Company Secretary Mr. Jagadish Patra and Secretarial Department for sending me the notice of annual report very well in advance and allow me to speak. Thanks to Mr. Shayak Chatterjee, nicely conducted speaker's side verification. Sir, I have already casted in favor of all 9 resolutions, thanks to NSDL also and WebEx also. Sir, in financial 21, mostly impacted by lockdown, shortage of power demand, mostly impacted by Amphan. Still, thanks to CSC and whole teams by the leadership of you, respected sir, And also very good appreciations to member. My previous speakers also mentioned, also consolidated performance is nice and cost control is nice. Finance cost also lowering, nice financial performance. I appreciated it. And also rewarding members with subdivision of shares. Sir, Mr. Sharaf also mentioned present vaccination status of all staffs, directors and executives, and any casualty happened due to second wave, and probable financial support my company had given to this casualty. If possible, throw some highlight. And that my company management teams already procured term insurance increased and medical policy where the pandemic is also ongoing. In financial union budget financial year 22, union government also budget allocated 22,000 crores to power and renewable sectors. Also big focus in hydrogen generations, cut monopoly power, big focus in renewable energy. Throw some highlights about our capex programs next 3 years with digitalizations, also decarbonizations. Also, sir, any plan to lowering the operation in thermal power generation apart from renewable energy generation, because regulator also ongoing in lowering the GHG and 0 to 2030. Also, power sector poised for reforms. After budget session, PFC will set up an alternate investment fund to assist state distribution companies in repaying the over 83,500 crores dues to IREDA. Will set up similar fund to help to help renewable plants. Any positive impact in my company, already government this declaration, after this declaration, any future plan of my company to replace all conventional energy meters by prepaid smart meters in the next 3 years, where urges all states and union territories. Government will sit down with distribution companies and state government and chart out loss reduction trajectories. The scheme would entail a grant of more than 1.1 lakh crores. Any future positive impact in our company, if possible, throw some highlights. Sir, previously, my company also launched conveyance returns and security schemes. Are already this scheme exist? This is very nice scheme, I think so far, and also for the good for consumers. And any change for abolish marginal variable cost adjustment introduced 1st April 2011, where power generation by thermal, where fuel surcharge is introduced, and now the distribution of renewable power, there is no fuel surcharge. So if possible, throw some highlights. Effective report date of subdivision of shares from face value rupees 10 to rupees 1. Sir, any future plan to close the thermal power? My also raised this question and goes to so any future plan to set up solar power plants in our West Bengal state for more employment generations. Also, any future plan to step up in West Bengal other than existing speakers also mentioned the enhance the footprints in other states, also globally. Thanking you, sir, and expected good health everybody associated to CSC Limited. Thanking you, sir.
Ms. Anupama Thakkar.
Good morning, sir. I am Anupama Thakkar, shareholder of your company. I have sent my questions to your company secretary, Mr. Jagdish. Is it okay if my husband read out the same, or I request Mr. Jagdish to read out? Thank you.
Do you want all the questions to be read out, or do you want answers which we send to you?
Sorry, say it again.
He is asking, do you want all the answers, questions to read out, or only you want answers?
Answers also.
Answers also.
Okay, so should we send you the answers, or should we read out the answers?
You read out the answers, please.
Okay, I have your questions and I will respond to your questions.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Bubna?
Hello.
Mr. Bubna?
Yes. Very good morning to the chairman. MD. Other boards. My name is Mahesh Kumar Bubna. I am a Calcutta shareholder, but for the last 2 years, I am in Bangalore. Before the pandemic, I came here. I am in the Bangalore still. You see, this time is very bad going on for the last 16, 17 months. This corona pandemic is so crucial that thousands and lakhs of people around the world had died. In India also, there is a very bad situation for this. This third wave already lost in Kerala, even in Karnataka and lot of other states. Now it is start. 2 days back there was a news that it started in Calcutta also and different parts of the. In US also it was heavily launched third wave, and there is also a news that coronavirus will come in different
Mr. Bubna?
I think, sir, there is some connectivity issues. You lost it, sir.
Okay. So there being no other registered speakers, I'm going to respond to the queries raised. Instead of going speaker by speaker, I'm going to go subject by subject, in no order of priority. There was a question raised by several speakers on vaccination, COVID, impact on employees. Let me say that 95% of all the people in CSE have been vaccinated. The 5% that remain are due to medical reasons, they cannot be vaccinated. We've had 23 COVID deaths between the 2 phases of COVID. What we have done for the employees, for these people who've passed away sadly, is that their family has an option of receiving their salary for the remainder period of the said person's employment, or we employ one member of the family in the company. There were lots of questions on environment, ESG, pollution. So let me just say that as far as emissions is concerned, I think there were 2 questions by 2 of the speakers on emissions. We have 100% ash utilization. We were the first company to be registered with UNFCCC for carbon credits. First thermal power company. We have lots of efficient units, equipment installed to measure and control the emission and particulate matter. FGD has become a big matter of discussion, and we have started implementing the FGD phase in right earnest, and the final phase of bidding process is on now. Let me also hasten to add that we are better than all emission and pollution norms that have been set by all the regulators. Our constant effort is to improve our carbon footprint. And we are doing this very sincerely and very honestly. Mr. Bose said media says distribution loss is 11%. I don't know where these numbers come from. I don't know where media picks up these numbers. If anyone looks at our numbers and our results, we are just above 8%. And that is combined distribution loss as well as transmission loss. And we are constantly improving year on year. The future prospects of industrial load as a percent is a very difficult thing to hazard. It depends upon how much residential load picks up, how much office load picks up, how much commercial load picks up. Ms. Thakkar had a lot of very interesting questions, starting with growth plans, revenue targets, margins, stock split. Let me just say that our attempt is to grow, and we will grow. We will grow in distribution. We are not going to grow in generation, certainly not aggressively in thermal generation. Revenue targets are always difficult to forecast in consumer-related industries, particularly in pandemic situations. But we definitely expect to see a better revenue this year than last. In power industry, you don't compare profit margins. You look at cost per unit, and then you look at selling price. Your profits are capped. So even if you improve in terms of efficiencies, your profits will remain almost stagnant. Stock split as opposed to buyback, there are always options, and there are options, and there are options. But the attempt of the stock split is to increase the liquidity of shares even further. We constantly try and do things to improve shareholder value and returns to shareholders. And we'll constantly try to look for ways and means to better shareholder value. Forecast on dividend for this year, it's really for the board to take a call. But we do believe that we will be actually distributing more and more percent of our profits to shareholders. Chandigarh tariffs compared to Calcutta, it's really not a like-to-like comparison. The cost of supply in Chandigarh is slightly lower than in Calcutta, simply because it's a more compact area. And all the power comes from hydro. So that is another factor. And when you look at power tariffs, you look at a composite. So it's not one factor which decides. Mr. Pathak, Mr. Gopal Nandan, Mr. Shrimal, Mr. Bakshi, Mr. Somani, Mr. Saraf, Mr. Ghatani, Mr. Gupta, all had lots of very interesting questions. There were questions on subsidiary company performance. Happy to state, as you would have seen in the balance sheet, all the subsidiary companies are doing well. The only one which has yet to turn around is Kota, but everything else is turned around and or is doing very well. For a company like CSC, you don't look at ratio of working from home, because more and more people need to be front-ended, facing the consumer, looking at crisis. Sadly, in the last 15, 18 months, we've had 2 cyclones, we've had 2 waves of COVID. So our people have been at the forefront, literally at the forefront. During Amphan, during Yas recently, plants, areas in and around our plant in Haldia had got flooded. So where we actually went out, we got the villagers into our areas which were higher lying, and we kept them there till the water receded, till it was safe for them to go back. We gave them food, we gave them shelter. Thank you all for your warm words on dividend, on performance, your good wishes on well-being. I do believe at my age, increasingly, that good wishes, good vibrations, blessings all contribute to the well-being. And so we really value each one of your inputs. Mr. Bose also talked about ATK Mohan Bagan. Thank you for your good wishes. We do hope we will perform well at the Asia Cup. Thank you, all the speakers, for your very pointed, sharp, and incisive questions. The voting results will be announced within 2 working days from the conclusion of the meeting. It will be displayed on the notice board at the registered office of the company and will also be posted on the company's website and on the website of NSDL. With this, we come to the end of this meeting. Thank you all for attending and for your patience and participation. I declare the meeting closed. Stay well, stay safe, all the very best. Thank you so much.